Hello students, today we are going to start our computer subject fourth lesson, that is Microsoft Windows. Students, in this lesson we are going to study about working of Microsoft Windows. Okay, students, just as we can overview a beautiful scissor from our Windows, we can overview the whole world from home with the help of Microsoft Windows, such as Microsoft Windows is a software. Microsoft Windows is a popular operating system. An operating system is loaded onto a new computer when it is newly purchased. After that, whenever the computer is switched on, Microsoft Windows is automatically loaded. We cannot touch or feel it, but we can use it to do many things on the computer. We can use it to carry out calculations, play games, etc. Okay. First is starting window. When a computer is switched on, Microsoft Windows get loaded by itself on the computer. The operating screen of Windows XP looks like this. Look at the screen, students. This screen picture is the Windows XP. Okay, the following screen appears soon on this Windows XP. Icons, folders are displayed in the Windows XP. Next is Windows Desktop. We see many things on the desktop. These are called the components of the desktop. There are some small pictures to the left of the screen. Okay, these are called icons. Here are some of the icons that are seen on the desktops, such as recycle bin, document, my computer. Okay, next is start button. The long bar at the bottom of the screen is called start button. There is a start button to the left of the taskbar. When it is clicked, a menu appears. The icon on the taskbar to the right can be used to change the time and date. Some icons look like this. This is a folder. This is the folder. A folder can be used to keep any things. Okay. Next is folders and files. We double click on a folder icon to see what is inside. MS Windows open up a box like Windows. The Windows display what is inside the folder. This is the folder. Yes. And this is the files. Doc file, PDF file, notepad file. For example, when we double click the folder, double click on the folder, my poems collection, it open a windows. The windows show the folders and files inside. Okay, parts of a windows: title bar, frame, control menu and scroll menu. First is title bar. The bar seen at the top of the window is the title bar. It displays the name of the folder. Next, frame. The outer boundary of the window. See, the outer boundary of the window is called the frame. We can use the mouse to drag the frame and change its size. Okay, next is control menu. The control menu is found in the upper right corner of the windows. It has 3 buttons. The buttons are used to maximize, minimize or close. Maximize, minimize or close the window. This is the maximize button. This is the maximize button. We place the mouse pointer on this button and click. The size of the windows increases to fill the whole screen. This is the minimize button. This is the minimize button. We place the mouse pointer on this bottom and click the windows shrink into a button. The button is when placed on the taskbar. We can click on it to get the window back on screen. This is the close button. We place the mouse pointer on this button and click the windows close. This is the restore button. This button is seen when a window is minimized. It is used to change the window bar back to its previous size. Next is scroll bar. One scroll bar is seen at the right. It is used to view the parts of the window that is not visible. And scrolling the page. Next topic is closing MS window. We must close MS Windows before we shut down the computer. Follow these steps to close the windows. Click on the start button. A menu appears. Next is click the turn off computer option. A box with their 3 options appear. Standby, turn off and restart. Then you click on the turn off option. The message appear on the screen. Windows is shutting down. We can now turn off the computer in the way we have learned. Do remember to close all the programs that are running before you shut down the computer. Students, don't forget the correct way to start and shut down the computer. Okay, student. I hope that you have understood what I taught you today. Now let us see a video to get more information
about the operating system Windows 7. Hey Mighty, when I start my computer, it shows downloading Windows. What does it mean? Windows is an operating system. It helps to start your computer. Let's see how to work with Windows. To manage hardware and software, we need an operating system. Operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages different parts of a computer system. It acts as an interface between the computer parts and the user. There are different operating systems. Some of the popular operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. Inventor. Microsoft Corporation was founded by two people, Paul Allen and Bill Gates. Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems. It is a series of programming systems and environments developed by Microsoft Corporation. HOTS. When MS Windows loads, which picture appears on the screen? Some more. Windows 8, the latest version of Windows. Common features of Microsoft Windows. GUI. Short for Graphical User Interface. A GUI operating system contains graphics and icons and is commonly navigated by using a computer mouse. Multi-user. A multi-user operating system allows for multiple users to use the same computer on computer processor. Multitasking. An operating system that is capable of allowing multiple software processes to run at the same time. Windows Desktop. When your computer starts for the first time, a beautiful background appears with many things. It is called the desktop. It will look something like this. Taskbar. The taskbar is the thin strip that runs across the bottom of your screen. It is split into a number of different areas: a round start button, quick launch icons, running programs, a notification area, and a clock. The new features of taskbar. Jump lists. With jump lists, you can jump to the documents, pictures, songs, and websites you use most often simply by right-clicking a program button on the taskbar. Pinning. In Windows 7, you can pin favorite programs anywhere on the taskbar for easy access. Live taskbar previews. In Windows 7, you can see a thumbnail view by pointing to a taskbar button of opened windows. Move your mouse over a thumbnail to preview the window full screen and click it to open the window. Gadgets. Windows contain mini programs called gadgets, which put information on your right side desktop. For example, you can use gadgets to display a calendar. Some more. DOS. Disk Operating System was the first widely installed operating system for personal computers. The Start button. The Start button is a place where a lot of the action takes place in Windows 7. The Start button can be found in the bottom left of your screen. Click on the Start menu button. A list of programs will appear. You can see more software by clicking All Programs above the Start menu. Above all programs, you can see the programs that you have recently used. A software can be launched by clicking an icon or folder. Some more. Have you seen the big Start button on your Windows XP computer? Well, you can enjoy the Start button of Windows 7 with a round icon. Switching off the computer. Follow the given steps to switch off the computer. Close all running programs. Click the Start button. Click on Shutdown. The following screen gets displayed on clicking Shutdown. Wait till the screen becomes blank and then switch off the monitor by pressing the power button on it. The computer has shut down.
Students, did you understood the video about Microsoft Windows? Now let us summarize the topic. Microsoft Windows is a program that runs the computer. The main screen that appears when MS Windows is open is called desktop. The components of desktop are icons, taskbar, and start button. We double click on a folder icon to open a Windows displaying what is inside. The buttons of the control menu are used to maximize, minimize, or close the windows. Scroll bars are used to view the part of the window that is not visible. To shut down MS Windows, click on Start, turn off computer, turn off. So, with this our chapter is completed and you studied about work of computer. Please read this lesson from your book carefully. Students, I have sent exercise which you need to open by clicking on the blue link of exercise and write. Students, you also need to solve the MCQ test. Children, your first term syllabus is over. Do study. Bye all of you. Stay safe at home. Thank you.